friends, welcome to my channel Creative Art. My name is Nilima and today we are going to paint this beautiful glass painting of Macaw. This is a kind of very big species of parrot which are very beautiful and colorful. They are very famous for their bright and colorful feathers. This painting is a combination of hot colors as well as cold colors, which gives a very good brightness to your rooms, and it also adds nature in your living room, or else if you want to place it in your bedrooms or dinings. This is a really very beautiful painting, friends. Let's start our glass painting, friends. First of all, we have taken a black and white photocopy of our glass painting, and now we are going to place our transparent glass sheet, which is also called as OHP sheet, on our black and white photocopy. Using tape, we'll be securing all the four corners. So here all the four corners are secured now. Using 261 metallic gold Camlin glass liner, we'll start lining from a side. So friends, as you know that lining is a very simple part, that is why I'll complete the whole lining part and I'll show you how does it looks. Okay. So friends, so you can see that our glass painting has got dried up completely. That is why I'm removing the four secured corners using our cutter. And now we are going to place it on a horizontal surface so that you may see the painting very clearly. For this painting, I'm going to explain you all the color shadings as you have requested. So let's start coloring our glass colors using Fevicryl glass colors, which are water based and available in 10 shades. So we are going to start from here. Here you can notice this part is completely red, as well as you can keep a shading of brown. I'll start directly with red first. Now I'm using orange to give it a shade. You have to just make very simple circular motions to mix up the coloring, and the colors will get mixed up very easily as you want.
Again, I'll use some red.
And now in the center part, to give it a brighter look, we'll combine some part of yellow to give it a beautiful shading of yellow, orange and red. Now we are using here brown to give this a shading of red and brown. We'll be applying only in the corners of this zigzag part. Then using red, we'll mix it up. Similarly, you have to completely color the red part over here. I'm showing you the next shading. From this side is combination of red and yellow. Similarly, you have to do it for this part. You can also combine a bit of brown taking the red first, combining it with orange, making the circular motions so that the color gets mixed up very well. Now we are taking yellow, a bit part of green over here. So this totally looks a feather of macaw. In the same way, we'll be coloring the next feather. We'll be coloring the same feathers in the similar way. So I'm moving on to the next feather where we are combining pink with red. So this is how this side, this part feathers are going to be colored. Red first. Then I'm going to use yellow. I'm also going to use the sky blue color in between somewhere to give a beautiful effect. This is the sky blue color, friends, we are using in between some parts. This gives a very beautiful effect to the painting. This is how you have to color the feathers of macaw. I have shown you all the feather coloring of the hot part. Now I am showing you how we have to color the feathers in the cold part colors. We have to use amber blue color, black, as well as green and sky blue. I'm starting it with black. Mixing black with ultramarine blue. And in the same way, we have to mix the sea blue color with the ultramarine blue, making some circular motions. Now filling some blanks using the green. Friends, this is a very beautiful and pretty shading. In the similar way, we have to color all this side feathers, and the lining, this lining would be done with yellow or else orange or brown, as you wish to. Okay, so now follow the whole video, do watch it. I'm going to color each and every part as you see. friends, this is how a beautiful painting looks when it has got dried up. It took about 12 to 15 hours to get dried up completely. So I'm turning a glass painting for you. Yes, this is the final look of a glass painting. My advice would be to do frame your glass painting with using aluminium foil to get the best results, and do place this beautiful glass painting in your living rooms or bedrooms to get connected with nature and feel your rooms and living rooms more lively. If you did like this video friends, please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.